Hello everyone. Today our topic is symbolic calculation, symbolic mathematics. We will use MATLAB software and today we will take some calculus based problem. One problem each we will take from limit, differentiation, integration and differential equation. So let's start. Okay, so uh, today topic is symbolic calculation and this is a MATLAB environment. So here we are starting with one problem. Here I have taken some problem from calculus. So let's start with the limit. We are having one problem of limit here. So it's very common. Limit x tends to 0 sine ax upon x. So first we have to define it that x and a is a symbolic parameter since a x. Then we will write limit sine of a into x divided by x tends to 0, so x comma 0 we will write. So its value is a. So we are getting the correct value a. So now let's do some other problem of now we will take the problem from differentiation. So here we are having a function f is equal to e to the power minus ax into x to the power 3b into sine cx. So let's write for first function f is equal to e to the power, so here exponential minus a into x, then multiplied by, so here we will write x and then x to the power 3 into b 3 into b, and then again we have to multiply here x to the power, right here we will write here, and then sine multiplied by sine c into sine c into x. So let's see, here we have written the function sine ax x to the power 3b sine cx. Okay, so it's giving error because it's not recognizing b. So first thing we have to give sims. First thing we have to define all the parameter, symbolic parameters. So here let's define a, then b, then c, then x, and then the same thing we will last command whatever we have used, we will take up the same command here and see here. So now we are getting the same function, and now we want to differentiate this function. So we will write here diff and then f comma x. Okay, so let's see. So this is the result we are getting here. Okay, so after doing limit problem, then differentiation, now we will take problem from one more problem of partial differentiation. So this is the function here. Now this time function is problem number 3. So this time problem is here z, function is z is equal to sine of x plus y. Okay, so this is the function. Okay, so here sims again we should have written sims x, and then which is already defined x and y. So then we will write here z we have written already, and then now we will see here. Okay. Now we want to differentiate this function with z with respect to suppose x, partial differentiation, this one, this case. So let's take here, we will write diff z comma x, because we are differentiating. There are two parameters here, x and y, so we are differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so this is what we are getting. And then suppose if we want the same function g to integrate, then we have to just write int integration, and then z, like earlier we have written, and then limit we have to give, so 0 to pi by 2. So let's see. Okay, so this is integration problem. So we have seen that in limit we have to write limit here, limit, then differentiation diff diff, and then integration we have to write int. And one more thing, we have to write sims for defining it as a symbolic parameter. Okay, so after this one, let's solve some differential equation problem. So for differential equation, we have to write for dy by dx, we will write dy, capital D and then y, and d2y upon dx square, we will write d2y. So this is the convention, and the command is dsolve here. So this is built-in function, and let's here take this very simple differential equation, that is dy by dt is equal to 2y plus t. Okay, so here we will write, to solve this one, we will write for first dsolve, and then we will write here, then we will write here d, capital D y, because dy by dt we are writing as dy is equal to 2 into y, 2 into y plus t. So this is okay, and we let's see that what will be the. Okay, so here we are seeing that this is the general solution. So it's a general solution we are getting, right? Because this one constant is no initial value is given. So suppose for the same problem, if we take uh, initial value as y0 as 1, then how to solve this problem? What we will do, the same thing whatever we have done, we'll write the same thing here. We have recalled the same function here, and then what we will do, here we will add one more thing, and that is y0 y0 is equal to, and this is y0 dy is equal to 2y t. This is already we have written, then we have added y0 is equal to 1, and here we can check. Okay, so uh, this is the solution we are getting when we have given the initial condition. Okay, so now we can take one more problem here from the differential equation, second order differential equation. So suppose this is our function d2y upon dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus 3y is equal to sine x. So we have to find out the general solution. So what we will do, we will write here dsolve, built-in function, and then we will start writing d2 and y, d2y minus 3 into dy plus 2 into is equal to sine of x. So this is, we are having the function here, and it's, with respect to x. Let's check again. D solve d2y minus 3d dy uh, plus 2 into y is equal to sine x x. So now let's do it. So this is what we are getting, the general solution. And if we want the particular solution for a given condition, here y0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to minus 1, so we can last one, we have whatever command we have written, we have accessed. We know that how to access with the help of arrow key, up arrow key. So here again we can write here, just we will insert the condition here, that y of 0 is equal to 1, uh, and d, and then d y 0 is equal to minus 1, divide minus 1. So yes, comma. So we can here we can write, so d solve, you can see here d solve, and then d solve d2y, this thing we have already written. So condition is here y0 is equal to 1 and dy0 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so we can check now. So this is what we are getting, the particular solution. Okay, so now we have done all these cases, one first limit, then differentiation, then integration and differential equation. Thank you.